In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Analytics on a website. By the end, you'll have Google Analytics 4 tracking live on your site, and you'll understand exactly where the tag goes and how to avoid common setup mistakes. To follow along, you'll need a Google account and either access to your site's code or the ability to install a plugin or use your CMS settings. We'll create a property, add a web data stream, grab the Google tag, and place it in your site's head so it loads on every page. Start by signing in to Google Analytics. From the home screen, open the admin area. Here's where you manage accounts and properties. Create a new property for your website, then choose the correct reporting time zone and currency. Picking the right time zone matters because it affects how your daily metrics are grouped, so match it to your business location. With your property created, set up a data stream. Choose Web, then enter your website's URL and a descriptive stream name. The web data stream is what collects events from your site and sends them into this property. You can keep the default enhanced measurement options on. They automatically track useful actions like page views and scrolls without extra code. Next, open the data stream details and look for the tag setup area. Select the option to get instructions and choose Install manually. You'll see the Google tag, also called gtag.js. Copy the entire snippet exactly as shown. Now add the tag to your website. Paste that snippet into the head section of every page, right after the opening head tag, so it loads early and consistently. If you're using a CMS, check whether it offers a global header field or an official analytics plugin to place the tag across all templates. In storefront platforms and theme-based systems, use the theme or layout file that controls the global head. The key is to ensure the tag is injected once, universally, and not duplicated on the same page. Publish or save your changes. A quick way to confirm things are working is to visit your site in a new tab and then look at the real-time report in Analytics. You should see your active visit appear within a minute. If you don't, clear caches, try an incognito window, and temporarily disable ad blockers, which can block analytics requests. That's it. You've created a GA4 property, set up a web data stream, copied the gtag.js snippet, and added it to your site's head so tracking runs on every page. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.